teachers, fellow graduates, honored guests, and most especially our dear parents. Today is a very special day. It is a day to honor the people who have supported us the most, our parents. To all our dear parents, thank you for showing up and being present in every school event, whether it was a program, performance, competition, or a simple classroom activity. Your attendance meant everything to us. Seeing you in the audience smiling, applauding, and cheering gave us confidence and courage to do our best. Your support in our performances and activities made every practice and effort worthwhile. Your presence alone reminded us that we were never alone on that stage. For that, we are deeply grateful. I also want to say a special thank you to my parents, my first teachers. From my very first step, you have taught me how to walk, how to speak, how to face the world with courage, and how to dream without fear. To my dad, even when far away, working tirelessly to support our family, you always reassured me that everything would be fine. I know it is not easy missing birthdays, family meals, and small moments we often take for granted. I think of the nights when you stayed up late, working extra hours just to ensure we had what we needed. Even when tired and missing us dearly, even from afar, you have taught me responsibility, perseverance, and unconditional love. To my mom, your sacrifices are felt deeply as well. I have seen how you sometimes skip meals, go the extra mile so that I could have the best opportunities to grow in that heart and bear quiet worry when resources are limited. Even in your tiredness, you always greeted us with a smile and encouraged us to do our best. Your love have taught me resilience, patience, confidence, and meaning of selflessness. These acts of love have inspired me to work hard and dream bigger. You have taught me that challenges are opportunities to grow in that hard work. Patience and practice always pays off. Mom and Dad, I aspire to become a pilot one day, and I promise to carry the lessons you have taught and the love you have showed me wherever I go. I promise to make you proud, to work for a bright future, and to always care for you, just as you have cared for me. I am truly blessed to have a parents like you. To my teachers, my second parents, you entered my life as a guide and mentors. You taught me more than what was in the textbook. You taught me resilience, patience, confidence, and the joy of learning. Your care, guidance, and wisdom have shaped not only my education, but also my character. To all parents and guardians here, you really deserve a big round of applause. Your love, guidance, and encouragement are the foundation of our success. You are our first teachers, our cheerleaders, and our greatest supporters. Every award we receive today, every smile, and every step we take forward carries a part of your heart and sacrifices. Once again, thank you, our dear parents. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for your love, care, and the guidance. And thank you to all our teachers for your support and belief in us. We will carry your lessons, love, and encouragement as we step into the next chapter of our lives. Thank you and congratulations to all of us graduates and to the wonderful parents who made this day possible.